Welcome back. In this tutorial we build our Flappy Bird game for Android. Go to player settings and name your game, name your company and many more. Make your own logo. Click on Android and download the Android modules, and if you already download then click on Switch Platform, if have not download then first close Unity then download then open Unity again. I already downloaded. Click on Switch Platform. Change resolution to portrait. And if you want image and splash screen then follow the steps. If all set then click on build and select the location and name for build then click enter, and all done your APK file is ready then transfer APK file in your through Google Drive or anything. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.